Here are the key features of the UZ158MHC400-410-72 HC solar module series, manufactured by Anhui Uzon photovoltaic technology. This product brings you the benefit of the latest trend photovoltaic technologies. Innovative half-cell architecture alongside with high-efficiency PERC solar cells. Half-cell is a rising star of the photovoltaics, a new technology on a path to become mainstream. Modules with such architecture have solar cells that are cut in half, which provides several benefits over traditional solar cells. When solar cells are halved, their current also is halved, which lowers resistive losses and gives the cells the ability to produce more power. In addition, they are more physically durable than their traditional counterparts. Smaller size makes them more resistant to micro cracks. Another innovation in this product is the use of passivated emitter and rear contact technology, known as PERC, which boosts module efficiency by integration of back surface passivation layer, an additional layer on the back of the solar cells. This layer reflects light that passes through the silicon cell without being absorbed back into the silicon, providing the cell with a second absorption attempt. It also reduces electron recombination in the cell, which is the tendency of electrons to recombine, which leads to a blockage in the free movement of electrons through the cell. Another benefit of the PERC type cells is an ability to reflect higher wavelengths of light, which can be absorbed by the solar cells. In standard cells, higher wavelengths of light passes through the cell and gets absorbed by the panel's backsheet, which creates heat and reduces overall cell efficiency. But PERC cells are specifically designed to reflect light with a wavelength above 1180 nanometers, reducing the heat energy in the cells and consequently increasing their efficiency. Applying these sophisticated technologies, we are able to create not only highly powerful with power range from 400 to 410 watts, but also highly efficient products with a module conversion efficiency of up to 20.3%. Higher power and efficiency reduces installation costs and saves space, as you'll need smaller numbers of panels to reach the desired power in your array. Guaranteed 0 plus 5 watts positive power tolerance will ensure power output reliability. Reduced shadow loss lessens the negative effect of the shadow on the module surface, increasing the product's performance. This module is highly durable to mechanical stress. It's certified to withstand up to 5,400 Pascal front mechanical load and hail of ice balls with 45mm diameter and velocity of up to 30.7 meters per second. The product demonstrated excellent potential induced degradation resistance, being tested under the PID condition of 85 degrees Celsius temperature and 86 relative humidity for a 96-hour period. By the customer requirements, we can customize the product to be able to meet even higher standards for particularly harsh environments. This product is IEC 61215 and IEC 61730, certified by the world-famous TÜV Rheinland Certification Bureau. Feeling confident in the quality of our products, for these series we offer extended 12 years warranty for materials and workmanship, and 25-year warranty for linear power output. We pack this product in boxes with 27 pieces in each box and 594 pieces in 40-foot high cube container. Total weight of packing unit for the 40-foot HQ container is 663 kilograms. Anhui Uzon PV technology is specialized in the R&D, manufacture and sale of high-efficiency solar modules. Our factories are equipped with state-of-the-art highly automated production lines, enabling us to manufacture high-quality poly and microcrystalline solar panels for the benefit of our customers.